Okay, this is Lesson 86. There's two parts to Lesson 86. The first one is about comparing numbers. So, when we want to compare numbers, there are only three possibilities. If I have two values, A and B, and I'm going to compare them, either A is greater than B, that's the first choice. A is equal to B, that's the second choice. Or A is less than B. One of those three things has to be true. Another way to word this, if A is greater than B, and only one of these is going to be true. One at a time. So if A is greater than B, then that means A is not less than B. So if I do the less than or equal to, not less than or equal to, excuse me. If I do the less than or equal to with a slash through the middle of it, that reads not less than or equal to. Well, if A is not less than and A is not equal to, the only thing left is for A to be greater than. In the same way, if A is equal to B, then A is not less than B, and A is not greater than B, because only one can be true at any time. So if we look at our graph for A, practice problem A, we've got negative x is not less than or equal to 4, and we're supposed to graph this among the domain of integers. So we first begin by saying if it's not less than or equal to, there's only one choice here, and that means that negative x is greater than 4. We remember when we multiply both sides by a negative number, we have to reverse our sign. And we don't care what negative x is, we want to know what x is. So to get positive x, I'm going to multiply both sides by negative, and that's going to flip my inequality sign. So I want all the integers that are less than negative 4. So here's my number line. Put me a 0 there just to keep the space. A negative 4, a negative 5, a negative 6, a negative 7. The only integers that are less than negative 4 are going to be the ones from negative 5, negative 6, negative 7, and so on. Okay, thank you very much.